Today we're diving into something super practical. How to rent a condo smartly and safely.
Right, it sounds simple, but there are so many hidden traps people fall into if they aren't careful.
Totally. First off, checking the lease terms is a must. Ever skimmed a lease and regretted it?
Guilty as charged. I once missed a no pet clause and had to rehome my cat for months. Brutal.
That's rough. It's not just about pets either. Some leases sneak in weird maintenance fees or super strict visitor rules.
Exactly. And about the lease, always verify who you're renting from. Scams are real.
Yep, ask for proof of ownership. If they hesitate, that's a flashing neon warning sign.
I love that. Flashing neon warning. Would you also suggest visiting the condo before signing?
Always. Photos lie. Lighting, angle, filters. Sometimes a cozy studio looks like a palace online.
And smells don't show up in pictures. Mold or musty odors can tell you a lot about hidden issues.
Speaking of hidden, security deposits can get